Hello, my name is Lynn Gillespie, and this week on the High Performance Garden Show Nuggets, we share with you how to harvest your bok choy so you get a continuous harvest. Here's a clip from the show. And so what I want to do for the bok choy, we'll take this plant for example. I want to pick the leaves from around the outside, and I want to protect the crown of the plant. That way I can just continually harvest until these go up and bolt, and then we can replant them. So what I want to do is just to push my thumb, or you can use scissors, through the leaf here and take these outer leaves off. Now this leaf here is a baby leaf and it's not going to get any bigger, so I'm going to go ahead and harvest it. And if I come to the next plant, I'm going to do the same thing. Just come around the edge of this and get that off. And then we'll just let that center grow again. So we'll go and pick all of these. This clip is from the High Performance Garden Show Year 9, Week 7. If you'd like to watch the whole show, it's free, it's online, and you can enroll on our website at thelivingfarm.org/high-performance-garden-show.